Hello, everyone. I'm sure I have seen most of you in my other classes, but my name is Kayla Adams, and here is just a little introduction about myself. I just moved to the East Coast from Utah for this program, and I am a dual degree student in both the social work and human sexuality program. And three assets that I feel like I can bring to the table in terms of, this class and general social work practice. I'm not currently in the social work sphere. I actually work for a healthcare company based in Utah. So I am in the business sector as well as human resources and recruitment. So that's where my experience lies at the moment. So I would say in my role, in my position right now, I have to continuously work with a diverse group of people. I work on our diversity board. And so it's my job to make sure that diversity is represented within HR and recruitment. So I think my skills in working with very diverse populations with diverse needs will definitely be an asset that I can bring to the table and learning how to work with those populations. I also have a business acumen, like I said. So I think in terms of what resources do we have to meet our goals and what can I do to get these resources and make connections. So I think that will be super helpful in terms of helping our clients and getting those resources and making sure they have what they need to be successful. The third asset, I think, as a student in the human sexuality realm, I feel like that's a big piece that some social workers tend to miss because human sexuality does, touch on a lot of different subjects and affect us in many different ways. And so having that interest, that background, and certainly the education that I'm gaining from that part of the program, I think will be really helpful in understanding the different issues that our clients may face, because I'm sure many of them will be centered around sex, sexuality, or relationships. So I think that's also a positive asset that I can bring. So I'm very excited to work with you guys all more and learn more about you all. Thank you.